Hey everyone, this is a maths lecture for you, class 9 maths. In this video, we will discuss NCERT solution for chapter first number system. In the number system, the first question is zero a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q where p and q are integer and q is not equal to 0? So you know very well what is a rational number. Rational number is a number that can be rewrite in a form of p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. If you are able to write a number in this form, you can say that will be your rational number from the definition of rational number. Yes or no? So the question is asking, is 0 a rational number? So in this case, why 0 will be rational number? Because 0 can be rewrite as 0 by 1. Yes or no? You can in 0 by anything, 0 by anything is equal to what? 0. So when you divide any number, when you divide 0 by any number, you will get 0 again. Yes or no? So you can rewrite 0 as a 0 by 1, which is what? Which is the form of p by q. Yes or no? Which is the form of p by q, where p is 0 and q is 1 and q is also not equal to 0, which is satisfying the definition of rational number. That's why 0 is a what? 0 is a rational number. So your final answer will be what? 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Yes or no? Now, second part is, can you write it in the form of p by q? So yes, we can rewrite. We can write in the form of p by q as 0 by 1. So this will be your answer. Clear everyone? p by q की फॉर्म में आपने लिख दिया. Next one is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So how to find 6 rational number between 3 and 4? In this case, you have to find 6 rational number. That means you have to rewrite this number with the denominator 6 plus 1, 7. You have to rewrite, you have to find 6 rational number. That means 6 plus 1 will be is equal to 7. That means you have to rewrite these numbers with the denominator 7. Okay. So 3 can be rewrite as a 3 into 7 by 7. Yes or no? Which will be is equal to 21 by 7. And 4 is equal to 4 into 7 by 7, which will be is equal to 28 by 7. Yes or no? That means you have to find rational number, 6 rational number between 3 and 4 will be as same as 21 between 21 by 7 to 28 by 7. Yes or no? So now 21 by 7 to 28 by 7, there are so many number you can insert, like 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. Yes or no? So here you can count exactly. There are 6 number between 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? So your answer will be what? Find 6 rational number. So 6 rational number, 6 rational numbers are what? 22 by 7, 23 by 7, up to 26 by 7. And this will be your answer. Clear, everyone? Now remember one thing, always you have to add 1. Add 1, whatever you have to find, just add 1 and write the number, given number, with the denominator that number. Clear to everyone? Now next one is find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Same question, but in this case the difference is the number given in the form of p by q, which is a rational number, and in the previous one question the number is given integer form. Clear? So how to solve? Simple. Here first of all check whether the number are like or unlike. Okay, so in this case the number is like, no problem. Do you know what is like and unlike? A rational number having the same denominator is called a like rational number. So in this case the denominator is 5, no problem, like number. Now how to rewrite these numbers? Okay, you have to find 5. Okay, that means 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 1 6, that means you have to multiply in numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, so 3 by 5 into 6 into 6, it will be what? 18 by 30. And in the second number 4 by 5 multiply by 6, you will get 24 by 30. So here to find the rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 will be same as 18 by 30 to 24 by 30. So you can insert a number between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. 5 rational number. What? 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. So here you can count it. The numbers we can insert between 5 rational number, we can insert between these two number. So your final answer will be, so 5 rational number will be 5 rational numbers are 19 by 30, 20 by 30 to 23 by 30. Yes or no? And this will be your answer. Now the next is state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. So already we have discussed a chart for this number system. Here every natural number is a whole number. The first part of this question is what? Every natural number is a whole number. So tell me, what is it correct or wrong? It is true or false? So in this case, every natural number is a whole number. Yeah, definitely, because whole number is what? Whole number is the set of combination or set of 0 plus natural number. Yes or no? 0 plus natural number. So when we add 0 in the collection of natural number, we will get a whole number. That means every natural number will be whole number. Yes or no? Every natural number will be whole number. Clear? So it will be true. Next, second is integer. Every integer is a whole number. So no, because integer is what? Integer is the minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus infinity up to plus infinity. This one is integer. And whole number is what? Which is denoted by capital W. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. So here you can see minus 2 is minus 2 is an integer, but it is not a whole number. Yes or no? Clear? So every integer cannot be a whole number. So this one is what? This one is false. Next one is every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number. So you know rational number is what? Rational number is the set of all the number that can be written in a form of p by q. Yes or no? Where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So we can say 2 by 5, 1.3. Yes or no? This all are rational number. But 2.2 by 5 or 1.3 is not a whole number, because whole number is just a number which start from 0 to infinity. So here we can say 2 by 5 is a rational number, but not a whole number. Yes or no? Again, it will be false, and this will be your reason. Similarly, you can write the reason for first two part here. What you can rewrite here, you can say what? Every natural number is a whole number. So yes, because every natural number from 1 to infinity is a whole number. Clear? This one is first, this one is second, and this one is third. And in the third one, every integer is a whole number. So no. Here you can say -2. Here you can write what? -2 is an integer, but not a whole number. Yes or no? This will be your reason for the second one, and this is the reason for third one. So now, thank you. Okay, so now we have completed the exercise 1.1 class 9th NCERT book. Okay, so goodbye dear everyone.